Trial against former Franklin County Sheriff's Deputy Jason Meade on hold tonight until Tuesday.
As you first heard from 10 TV's Lacey Chris, several subpoenas were filed, and the judge has delayed the case until several people can be questioned. Now, Lacey is digging deeper into what this means for the case, and she joins us now live from the courthouse. Lacey?
Well, 2 more subpoenas have been filed, which makes 9 additional subpoenas in just the last 48 hours. One is calling for an additional witness.
Well, I think what's going on lately is highly unusual. I mean, it's really unusual for any party to have a kind of last-minute witness come forward, especially an important one.
Former U.S. Attorney David DeVillers says it will be important to find out how this new witness came forward and what they know.
So I think that the idea is, all right, how did this person come to make contact with the prosecution? And it's my understanding that it was likely somehow through Ms. Payne and her attorney, which isn't illegal or isn't unethical, but it brings a lot of questions, especially if that person was in fact watching the trial.
According to court documents filed Thursday, the prosecution is looking to add a witness that wasn't previously listed as a possibility. Additional subpoenas show attorneys want to know about any communication between Goodson's mom, Tamala Payne, and Goodson family attorney Sean Walton and a man named Christopher Korn. Special prosecutors have asked to depose or question Korn, and defense attorneys have asked for all GPS records and Korn's employment file. Korn's address on the court documents are listed as a heating and cooling business. In court, one of Goodson's neighbors claimed she was concerned about an HVAC van in the neighborhood the day of the shooting.
Did you say that that is why we were looking out the window?
Yeah, I told you as soon as we got in the house, after we heard the gunshots, we saw out the window. That's why I had my video, which someone had stolen my iPhone, that had everything going on the iPhone that I was taping what was going on, because we were too scared to go outside.
And that heating and cooling truck was still there, correct?
Yes.
Any chance this could cause a mistrial?
Well, because Judge Young's in charge, right? So if Judge Young is either going to let this in or not, and if he doesn't let it in, then he doesn't have to worry about a mistrial because they won't ask for one.
DeVillers says he isn't convinced this new witness may make a difference in the trial.
But I, as a prosecutor, would think that smells of desperation more than anything else, and I'm not sure that it's worth the bother.
And the trial is set to resume on Tuesday. Reporting live, Lacey Crisp, 10 TV News.